Hello students, welcome to DSS online class. I am Sarita Tiwari, your maths teacher. We will studying lesson number 6 and the name of the lesson is Be My Multiple, I Will Be Your Factor. And we were also studying the types of numbers. Today our number is 10, least common multiple, LCM. LCM is the short form of the least common multiple. So we will by least common multiple. The lowest common multiple of two or more numbers is called the least common multiple. Means the smallest common multiple of two or more number is called least common multiple. Let's learn with an example. So here is example. Find the common multiple of 3 and the common multiple of 3 and 5. We have to find the common multiple of 3 and 5. So first we will find the multiple of 3 and then we will find the multiple of 5. Then we have to find the common multiple of 3 and 5. So let's start. First, common multiple of 3. Multiples of 3. Now we multiply 3 by 1. So here is 3. 3 2 just 6. When we multiply by 2, we get 6. When we multiply by 3, we get 9. When we multiply 3 by 4, we get 12. When we multiply 3 by 4, we get 15. Here is and so on. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Of course, any number has unlimited multiple. But in this example, we find multiple of 3 up to 10 times. Okay. Next, multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. So, when we multiply 5 by 1, we will get 5. When we multiply by 5 by 2, we get 10 as a product. When we multiply 5 by 3, we get 15 as a product. So, and so on. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 5 times 50. So here is multiple of 5 up to 10 times. So now we have to find the common multiple, least common multiple of 3 and 5. So let's find. Here is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. And here is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. So in this example we have to find least common multiple. So 15 is the least number of both. So LCM is 15. 15 is LCM of 3 and 5 both. Two methods of find LCM. There are two methods to find LCM. Find LCM or least common multiple. First, prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. And second is long division method. First we find the LCM by prime factorization method. So Let's learn with an example. Our question is find LCM of 72 and 120 by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. So, in this method, we find prime factors of individual 72 and 120. So, let's find. First, we find prime factors of 72. We make a structure like this, and here we write 72. Now, we need a number to divide 72. To find prime factorization, we need a least prime number to divide 72. So, of course, many number can divide 72. But in this method, when we find the prime factors of 72, we have to use least prime number to divide 72. So, least common number is 2. So, we divide 72 by 2. 2 3 is 6. Remaining 1 here will be 12. 2 6 is 12. As long as divisible by 2, we take number 2 as a divisor. So, 2 1 is 2, remaining 1 here will be 16. 2 8 is 16. Now, 18 is divisible by 2, so we take 2 again as a divisor. So, 2 9 is 18. Here is 9 and 9 is not divisible by 2. So, what will we do? We take next prime number. And which is next prime number? 3 is next prime number. So, we take 3 here. 3 3 is 9 and 3 1 is 3. So, here is the prime factors of 72. Now, we have to find prime factors of 120. So, let's find. Here it is 120. We make a structure like this. Here we write 120. And 120 is divisible by 2. So, we take least prime number 2 as a divisor. 2 6 is 12. It is 0. 60 is also divisible by 2. So, we take again number 2 as a divisor. So, here is 2, 2 3 is 6 and here is 0. 30 is also divisible by 2. So, we take again 2 as a divisor. 2 1 is 2, remaining 1, here will be 10, 2 5 is 10. Now, here is 50. 15 is not divisible by 2. So, what will we do? We take next prime number. So, next prime number is 3. 3 5 is 50. Here is 5. 5 is not divisible by 3. So, we take next prime number 5. Here is 5. 5 is 5. So, here is the prime factors of 120. Now we find the least common multiple of both numbers. So, let's find. First, we write here factor of 72. Then we write factor of 120. So, let's write factor of 72 is 2, 2, 2, 3 and 3. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Here is the prime factor of 72. Now we write prime factors of 120. 2, 2, 2, here is 2, here is 2. So we circle the common factor of both. Here is 2, here is 2. So we also circle these 2. Here is 2, here is also 2. So this 2 and this 2 is also common factor of 72 and 120. So we circle 2, both 2. Here is 3 and here is 3. 3 is the common factor of 72 and 3 is common factor of 120. So we circle both 3's. Here is 3. This 3 is not the common factor of 72 and 120. So we leave as it. And this 5 is not common 72 and 120. So we also leave it as it is. Let's find LCM. So out of these two common numbers, we take a common number 2. Here is out of these two common number, we take also one number 2. Here is out of these two common numbers, we take one numbers, and here is 3. And this 3 is not common factor of 72 and 120, but we write it as it is here, and also 5 is right here. Now we find LCM of 72 and 120. So we multiply these factors. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, 24 3 ja 72, 72 5 ja 360. 360. So here is LCM is 360. 360 is least common multiple of 72 and 120. So let's learn next method, long division method. Second method is long division method. Long division method. Long division method. Find LCM of 75, 100 and 175 by long division method. In this method we find prime factors of 75, 100 and 175. In this method we find prime factors of these numbers all together. So first we make a structure like this and we write 75, 100 and 175. In this method we have to find prime factors of 75, 100 and 175 all together. So we need a number to divide 75, 100 and 175. So what will we do? Because this number is not divisible by 2, this number is divisible by 2 and this number is not divisible by 2. What will we do? So if any number of both three numbers is divisible by 2. So first we take number 2 as a divisor. So list prime number is 2. We take list prime number as a divisor 2. 75 is not divisible by 2, so we write 75 as it is here. 100 is divisible by 2, so we divide 100 by 2. 2 5s are 10, here is 0. 175 not divisible by 2, so we write as it is 175 here. Now, in this series, 50 is divisible by 2, so we take again list prime number 2 as a divisor. So we take 2. 75 is not divisible by 2, so we write it as it is here. 50 is divisible by 2, so 2 2s are 4 and 1 remaining here will be 10, 2 5s are 20. 20. 175 is not divisible by 2, so we write 175 as it is here. Now this number and this number, no any number can be divisible by 2, so what will we do? So we take next list prime number as a divisor. So which is next prime number? So which is 3 is the next prime number. 3 2 just 6, 1 remaining, here will be 50, 3 5 just 50. 25 is not divisible. 25 is not divisible by 3, so we write 25 as it is. Here is 175. 175 is not divisible by 3, so we write 175 as it is here. Now, in this series, no any number can be divisible by 3, so we take next prime number. So next prime number is 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25, and here is 17. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15, and 2 remaining. Here will be 25. 5 5s are 25. So these numbers are divisible by 5, so we take 5 again as a divisor. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, and 5 7s are 35. Here is 7. So we take next prime number 7. 1, 1 and 1. So these are prime factors of 75, 100 and 175. Let's find the LCM. So first we write the prime factors here. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. We multiply all together. We multiply the factors. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 65s are 300, and 300 7s are 2001. So LCM is 2100. So 2100 is the least common multiple. 175. Check this is correct or incorrect. You have to find the multiple of 75, 100 and 175 individually, and then you can see the 2100 is least common multiple of both three numbers. Okay, I hope you all have to understood well. If you have any doubt, any problem related to your subject, you can ask me on my WhatsApp number. See you again in the next video. Until then, study well. Thank you. Have a nice day.
We were studying the types of numbers. Let's start. Next point is highest common factor. Highest common factor or greatest common factor. We can say highest common factor, and we can also say greatest common factor. So let's start. The highest or greatest number which is a common factor of two or more numbers is called their highest common factor, means HCF, or greatest common factor means GCF. Means in simple way we can say that the highest number that can divide it exactly into each or two or more numbers. So let's start. There are three methods to find HCF or GCF of given numbers. First method is prime factorization method. Let's learn with an example. Example, find HCF of 12, 36 and 72 by prime factorization method. In this method, we have to find the factors of 12, 36 and 72 individually. So let's find. First, we find factors of 12. We make a structure like this. So we write here 12. We need a number to divide 12. The list prime number is 2. So we take 2 as a divisor. 2 6 are 12. Now we take again 2 as a divisor. 2 3 are 6. Now 3 is not divisible by 2, so we take next prime number 3. 3 1 are 3. Here is the factor of 12. Now we find factor of 36. Here is 36. We make a structure like this. So 36 is divisible by 2. So we take least prime number 2 to divide 36. So 2 1 are 2. Remaining 1, here will be 16. 2 8 are 16. Here is 18. 18 is divisible by 2. So we take again 2 as a divisor. 2 9s are 18. Here is 9 and 9 is not divisible by 2. So we take next prime number 3. 3 3 are 9. Here is 3. We take again 3 as a divisor. 3 1 are 3. So here is the factor of 36. Now we find factor of 72. So here is 72. 72 is also divisible by 2. So we take least prime number 2 as a divisor. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4 and 2 3 are 6. 1 remaining, here will be 12. 2 6 are 12. 36 is also divisible by 2. So we take again 2 as a divisor. 2 1 are 2, 1 remaining, here is 16. Here will be 16. So 2 8 are 16. Here is 18. We take again 2. 2 9 are 18. 9 is not divisible by 2. So we take next prime number 3. 3 3 are 9. Here is 3. 3 1 are 3. So here is the factor of 72. Now we have to find the highest common factor of 12, 36 and 72. So let's find. First we write here the factors of 12. Factors of 12. Factors of 12. Next we write factors of 36. Next we write factors of 72. Factors of 72. Factors of 12. 2, 2 and 3. Factors of 12 is 2 multiplied 2 multiplied by 3. Factors of 36 is 2, 2, 3 and 3. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. And here is the factor of 72, 2, 2, 2, 3 and 3. So we write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. If you want to check the factors are correct or incorrect, you can check. We can
this factors, and when we multiply these factors, we get 12. So let's check. 2 2 are 4, 4 3 are 12. Means these factors are correct. So now check this factor. These factors 2 2 are 4. Let's learn second method, division method.
Now second method is division method. We learn this method with an example. This example is find HCF of 118, 120 and 144 by division method. We have to find the factor of highest common factor of 118, 120 and 144 by a division method, a simple division method. Let's find. First, we will divide 144 by 120. So 120 is we take 120 is as a divisor and 144 as a dividend. Now 120 1 ja 120. Let's subtract 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Here is 24. Now 4 is remainder. So now this remainder will be become divisor and this divisor will be become dividend. So 120. Now we will divide 120 by 24. So 24 5s are 120. So here is the last divisor 24. Now we will divide 118 by 24. Here is divisor 24. Now we will divide 118 by 24. Let's divide 24 4s are 96. 24 4s are 96. Here is 96. So let's divide 8 minus 6. Divide 8 minus 6 is 2 and here is 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. Here is remainder. 22 is as a remainder. So now 22 will become divisor and 24 this divisor will be become, now 22 will become divisor and this divisor will be become dividend. Here is 24. 24 1 ja 22 1 ja 22. So here is 4 2. Now this remainder will be become divisor and this divisor will be become dividend. So 2 1 ja 2 and 2 is, here is 2. 2 1 ja 2. So here is the last divisor. Divisor is called HCF. So HCF is 2. So 2 is highest common factor of 118, 120 and 144. Let's learn third method. Third method is short division method. Now third method is short division method. So we learn this with an example. Example is find HCF of 12, 72, 84 by short division method. So let's find HCF of 12, 72 and 84 by short division method. In short division method, we make a structure like this. Here is a structure. We write 12, 72 and 84. So in this method, we take that number by which these three numbers can be divided. So 12 is divisible by 2, 72 is divisible by 2 and 84 is also divisible by 2. So we take the prime number of 2. 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6 and here remaining 1, here will be 12, 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8 and 2 2 ja 4, here is 2. We take again number 2 as a divisor because 2 can divide these three numbers exactly. So 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2, remaining 1, here will be 16, 2 8 ja 16, and 2 2 ja 4 and 2 1 ja 2. Now we take next number which can divide these three numbers also. So number 3 is, so number 3 can divide these numbers. So we can take 3 as a divisor. 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 ja 18, and 3 7 ja 21. Now here is 1, here is 6, and here is 7. 6 and 7 cannot divisible by any common number. So we leave as it is 6 and 7 here. So now here is 2, 2 and 3. These factors are common factor of 12, 72 and 84. We will take as a common factor 2, 2 and 3. So we write here common factor 2, 2 and 3. We will take 2, 2 and 3. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Now we find highest common factor. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. Here is the 12. So we can say that 12 is the highest common factor of 12, 72 and 84. So I hope you all have understood well. If you have any problem, any doubt, you can ask me on my WhatsApp number. See you again in the next video with some problems. Until then, study well. Thank you.